20 years, Automa has pioneered automation technologies in the electrical sector. And one thing has always powered our energy: connections. They nourish innovation. It brings sustainability to life that makes life happen. They bring partners together to pave new paths that expand our horizons. Automa's expertise now strengthened by DNV to connect energy systems worldwide to make every second count. That's how we write the future, with connections that transform nature's energy into what moves our lives. Automa, a DNV company.